Hey everyone, welcome back to Edu Expert, your smart learning hub. AI wearables. How smartwatches and health devices are transforming healthcare in the United States. In recent years, the United States has witnessed an extraordinary transformation in the way people monitor, understand, and take control of their health, and one of the most fascinating driving forces behind this shift is the rise of AI-powered wearables, smartwatches, fitness trackers, continuous glucose monitors, AI-assisted hearing aids, posture correction bands, and even smart clothing embedded with biometric sensors, all working together to create a new era of personalized healthcare, one that is proactive rather than reactive. The concept of wearable health devices is not entirely new. Fitness trackers and heart rate monitors have been around for decades, but the integration of artificial intelligence has taken them from simple step counters to highly intelligent, real-time diagnostic companions. Imagine a smartwatch that not only counts your steps but also monitors your oxygen saturation, predicts an impending heart problem days before it happens, and automatically notifies your doctor with your health data in an organized report. This is no longer science fiction, it is happening right now in America. The history of this movement began with basic pedometers in the 1980s, evolved into wrist-based heart rate trackers in the 2000s, and leapt forward with the introduction of devices like the Fitbit and Apple Watch, which initially focused on fitness but have now become mini health laboratories on your wrist. In 2023 alone, more than 40% of Americans reported using at least one wearable device for health monitoring, and industry analysts project that by 2030, nearly every adult in the country will have some form of AI-powered health wearable. What makes these devices so revolutionary is the way they collect vast amounts of personal health data: heart rate variability, sleep cycles, stress levels, blood glucose trends, ECG readings, skin temperature changes, and then use AI algorithms to analyze this information, detect patterns invisible to the human eye, and offer actionable insights tailored to the individual. For example, if your wearable notices that your resting heart rate is consistently elevated and your sleep quality is deteriorating, it can suggest lifestyle adjustments, recommend breathing exercises, or even alert you that you may be developing a cardiovascular condition. In the field of chronic disease management, AI wearables are proving to be game changers. Diabetic patients can now use continuous glucose monitoring devices linked with AI to not only track their blood sugar levels but also predict spikes or drops hours in advance, allowing them to take preventative action before symptoms even appear. Similarly, people with atrial fibrillation can benefit from AI-assisted ECG monitoring that runs quietly in the background and instantly warns them of irregular rhythms, potentially preventing strokes. Mental health is also being reimagined through wearables that track stress patterns, detect changes in voice tone that might indicate anxiety or depression, and even provide guided meditation or relaxation exercises right on the device. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of such technology, as people became more conscious of their health and more open to remote monitoring solutions. Many healthcare providers in the US have integrated wearable data into patient care, enabling doctors to keep an eye on patients without requiring them to come into the clinic. This not only improves convenience for the patient but also reduces costs for the healthcare system, as early detection often means less invasive treatments and shorter recovery times. On the technological side, AI wearables are now being powered by advanced machine learning models that can process data both locally on the device, for privacy and speed, and in the cloud, for deeper analysis, creating a seamless and secure flow of information. Privacy concerns do exist, and the US has seen debates around data protection and HIPAA compliance for wearable data, but companies are responding by implementing stronger encryption and giving users more control over their information. The cultural impact of AI wearables in America cannot be underestimated. They have become part of the lifestyle, with people comparing sleep scores, competing on step counts, and sharing their heart rate trends with friends the same way they once shared fitness selfies. The future promises even more integration. Researchers are developing AI-powered contact lenses that can monitor intraocular pressure for glaucoma patients, smart earbuds that can detect early signs of hearing loss or balance issues, and even tattoo-like patches that can continuously monitor hydration levels or detect specific pathogens in the body. In 5 to 10 years, it is entirely possible that your wearable will serve as your primary healthcare interface, continuously analyzing your health in real time, alerting you and your care team to any potential issues, automatically adjusting your personalized health plan, and even ordering medications before you realize you need them. This shift represents a profound redefinition of healthcare in the United States, from a system where people traditionally sought help only after feeling unwell, to one where individuals are empowered with knowledge, insight, and preventative tools right on their wrist or in their clothing. The economic implications are also massive. The U.S. wearable healthcare market, valued at over $20 billion in 2024, is expected to surpass $80 billion by the early 2030s, driven by demand for smarter, smaller, and more accurate devices. Tech giants like Apple, Google, and Samsung are investing billions into wearable AI research, while startups are innovating in niche areas like fertility tracking, posture correction, and AI-assisted physical therapy. In short, AI wearables are not just gadgets. They are becoming personal health guardians, data scientists, and wellness coaches all in one, shaping the way Americans think about and engage with their health, and paving the way for a future where technology and biology work hand in hand to keep people healthier, longer, and more empowered than ever before.